a bunch of throwbacks we have. Now, join it all. Our next
Lubang, Ibi,
we have
Ano tawag ko?
for our next lucky winner.
Ano to, floor wax?
Nico Luis Ferrer Pinadera. For our next
Tawag ka na tawag ko?
we have Ma'am Dia Joy Pancon.
Tawagin mo ako floor wax? Tawagin mo ako floor wax? Tawagin mo
You
ito?
will also receive a pack of floor wax.
I-check
Sir
nyo.
Noel Labansoy.
Tawagin mo ko? Balay niya. Ako yung matro.
Sir, sir. Picture natin, picture natin. Video
Also our lucky winner will be Sir Lloyd Veladore. Keep your hopes up because we have more prizes to give. For our next lucky winner will be Sorry, Lee. So,
to our assistant school division na natin sis. To Ma'am Ruby, our assistant principal for operations, and Ma'am Jewel, assistant principal for academics. To our guest speaker, Jason Pulita, si Patrick, no? Classmate of my daughter, batch sila. So, at the teachers, I saw the smile on your faces for the students na naghatag ng kabumbong sa inyong teachers. So this day, let us have a rest for a while because of the multitasking talaga ng activities natin this week and last week. So this is our Teacher's Day. Happy World Teacher's Day, everyone. To our SSLG, headed by the President Joshua Saavedra, and the rest of the officers. To Sir Jervin Pahimulir, the SSLG advisor. To our
Ubusa kami din nga taga Balyos.
And also sa fellowship, headed by our non-Catholic teachers. Thank you so much for gracing this activity, and because of our SSLG, naging successful na ating activity this morning. Thank you so much. And again, rest tayo.
Yay!
Meron pa mga pakulong ating mga rest.
Grabe
Bugay.
nga ako.
So once again,